Okay, we're installing a mandrel cover 532-145-059. This is brand new. It's in good shape. The old one was damaged, so this new one, I'm going to install it right here. Okay, and these are the other two.
The reason that we're replacing it is because the old one broke right here.
So it's right in there. Okay.
I've left a link in the description below on the Tecton 3/8" drive long Torx bit socket set that I'm using to tighten these flange screws, since they use a Torx bit. Really, you don't want to over tighten these because this is a metal screw on a plastic mandrel cover, so that would cause a problem if they're over tightened. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.